Hey guys, I got my two cool cars. There's a Lamborghini, the fast cars, and Mustang funny car. Oh, actually making noises. Hey brother. This is like Spike when you hold on with your thumb. It's like Spike. Oh yeah, that's not just Spike. You need to be like Spike. So here's Lamborghini again. He's hiding. Alex is now hiding. So here's Lamborghini again. And Mustang funny car. And here's Alex. Yes, I did hide, but he's hiding again. And look again, these two cars at the same time. Yes. And subscribe. I hope you subscribe this video, and I'll see you next time in July or August or something. So bye bye.